Today I am going to show you how to jailbreak iOS 13.5.1 on your iPhone. As you can see, I am running the new iOS 13.5.1, and to install the jailbreak you need to open your Safari browser and visit iOSjailbreak.pro. iOSjailbreak.pro. Once you are there, you need to select your device model and the version of your iOS. In my case it will be iPhone X running the newest iOS 13.5.1. Click Start Jailbreak and Jailbreak to install it. Now you need to wait a moment. It will load all the required files. Okay, so to complete the process you need to install one of these apps and keep it running for about 30 seconds. If it doesn't work with the first app, then just try another app. Okay, so start the app, and while doing this the Cydia installation will start in the background. You need to start it and keep it running for about 30 seconds. About 30 seconds, you can go ahead and restart your device. Okay, so turn your device on. And as you can see, I have Cydia installed on my iOS device. You just jailbreaked your iOS. Thanks for watching. Also don't forget to subscribe and like the video if it works for you. Have a nice day. Bye.